So in these sets of videos, we're just going to go over the first bits of chemistry. So understanding the basics, so chemical reactions, what chemicals are, and how we can use information to understand them. So first of all, we have what is an element. This is really important in chemistry because elements form the basis of pretty much everything that we do. So to understand what an element is, we need to understand what they are made up of, and elements are made up of atoms, and atoms for a long time were the smallest thing scientists thought that we had. Um, this was until the atom was split. Atoms have a nucleus. There is in the nucleus there are protons and neutrons, and then in surrounding shells there are electrons. And elements are made up of only one type of atom. So you'll have a carbon atom, and then if in the elemental form of carbon, you will just have a carbon atom. You won't have an oxygen atom, you won't have a helium atom, you'll only have a carbon atom. And at the bottom, we have a couple examples of elements. Oxygen, on the left, you could see how oxygen is typically stored, and then a simple diagram of uh, an atom of oxygen, the nucleus in the middle, and the electrons around it. And then in the middle, we have magnesium, and then a simple diagram of magnesium. It's magnesium ribbon. You'll probably come across this doing some practicals, uh, testing for hydrogen. And then, speaking of hydrogen, we have hydrogen over here. Again, simple diagram of an atom of hydrogen. Hydrogen is the simplest of all elements with a single electron and one proton in the nucleus.